Cook. I love to cook dinner for my family. Chop. Carefully chop the vegetables for the salad. Bake. She decided to bake cookies for the school bake sale. Grill. Dad is going to grill burgers for dinner. Boil. Boil the pasta until it's al dente. Fry. My mom can fry the best chicken. Saute. Saute the onions until they become translucent. Mix. Mix the ingredients thoroughly in a bowl. Stir. Stir the soup to evenly distribute the flavors. Blend. Use a blender to blend the fruits into a smoothie. Slice. Carefully slice the tomatoes for the sandwich. Dice. Dice the potatoes into small cubes for the stew. Grate. Grate the cheese for the pizza topping. Whisk. Whisk the eggs to make a fluffy omelet. Knead. Knead the dough until it becomes soft and elastic. Roast. Roast the chicken in the oven until it's golden brown. Steam. Steam the vegetables for a healthy side dish. Pour. Carefully pour the batter into the cake pan. Measure. It's important to measure ingredients accurately in baking. Preheat. Preheat the oven before baking the cookies. Season. Season the soup with salt and pepper to taste. Toss. Toss the salad to mix all the ingredients. Marinate. Marinate the meat for a flavorful barbecue. Squeeze. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into the salad dressing. Spread. Spread butter on the toast for breakfast. Mash. Mash the potatoes with butter and milk. Poach. Poach the eggs for a healthier cooking method. Simmer. Let the soup simmer on low heat for better flavors. Grind. Use a grinder to grind coffee beans for fresh coffee. Peel. Peel the skin off the apples before making pie. Fillet. Fillet the fish before cooking.